Hi, it's Elsie. Welcome to my channel. I got asked on how to create a camburn effect in CapCut. Camburn effects is where you add motions to a still picture to create the zooming or panning effect. Though CapCut doesn't have a camburn option, we can still create this effect using keyframes. I will show you 3 different styles on creating the camburn effect in CapCut PC. First, open CapCut and select the picture that you want to use. The first style is to create the zooming in or zooming out effect. So you want to go to the beginning of the clip, add a keyframe, and then get to the end of the clip, add another keyframe, and then you want to zoom in on the scale. If you want to zoom in on a specific place, you can just move the picture to that area, like that. You can also switch the order of the keyframe by having the full picture at the end, and then change the scale of the beginning frame to create the zooming out effect. So that's the first style. Now let me show you the second style. For the camburn effects, we are pretty much adding a keyframe at the beginning and a keyframe at the end. For this one, you can add a keyframe at the beginning. You want to make the scale bigger to however big you like, and then align it with the top part, like that. And then get to the end part, add another keyframe, and then move the picture to align with the bottom part. So this is the second style to create that panning from the top to the bottom. You can also change the order from the bottom to the top, or from left to right or right to left for this one. Now for the last one, we're going to add a rotation effect. So get to the end of the clip, add a keyframe, and then get to the beginning of the clip, add another keyframe. For this one, we are going to make it scale bigger, and then add some rotation to it. You can see there's some black area there. You can just make the scale bigger to cover the whole screen, like that. So that's the third style with rotation. These are the 3 styles on how you can create camburn effects in CapCut PC. If you would like to see more tutorial on using CapCut PC, please comment down below and let me know what kind of tutorial you would like to see. If you find this video to be helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. As always, please be nice to yourself and have a wonderful day. I will see you next time.